Hello guys, how are you all? Hope that you all are fine. Let's start with today's topic, redundancy. So let us know what is redundancy first of all. Redundancy refers to the use of unnecessary words or phrases in spoken or written communication. Phrases like crisis situation. For crisis is enough, but we write sometimes unnecessarily crisis situation. In the same way, end result is one and the same for outcome. You will write end as well as result. That is unnecessary here. And safe heaven itself means that safe for heaven, or examples of redundancies that are used very often. In the sense, when you use the words or phrases, you may use only whatever it is necessary in the spoken or written communication. You need not use two at the same time, which means the same. So for example, here redundancy should be avoided for clarity and brevity in communication. Whenever you speak, whenever you write, you have to avoid all these words or phrases which are unnecessary. For example, we'll see first example, it is absolutely necessary to adopt a scientific approach towards regular fitness programs and dieting. This is wrong. Why? Because absolutely necessary in the sense necessary only. So you may use only the word necessary. Two words mean the same thing. So therefore necessary is quite enough. This is the right sentence here. It is necessary to adopt a scientific approach towards regular fitness programs and dieting. This is right. So second example, let us see. The drawing was absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect, what do you mean? Perfect in the sense is it's perfect, that's it. So why should we use again absolutely perfect? So the right answer is the drawing was perfect. In the same way, third example, ATM machine, ISBN number, PAN number. You need not use again machine number, again number here. ATM is quite enough. ISBN, PAN itself. Then again you need not add these unnecessary words. In the same way, the other example, to understand this point better, refer back to the lecture notes of the previous class. Refer back. Refer itself is again referring to go back. So again refer and back, it's not necessary at all. So the right example is, to understand this point better, refer to the lecture notes of the previous class. So refer, it's enough, not refer back. In the same way, the last example, the two entities were merged together to form a big corporation. Together to is form and together to is one and the same. So you need not use two things, two words. The two entities were merged to form a big corporation is quite enough. Here together, to form, not necessary at all. Only just to form means that together. So therefore only one word here is quite enough. So this is all about redundancy. Wherever, when you are speaking, when you are writing, see that, make sure that you should not use the unnecessary words or phrases in redundancies. You have to avoid all these things for clarity and brevity in communication. That is all the end of today's end of the class.